Thank you. Ngatsasoza savu. Uthumele ningba kwethu. Also post a favorite post. And guess what? I bought this. Anti naibo. Already ngihengile la. Anti nabo. Njoba ngihengile la. Ngizoyihenga la kule nto lezi impahla zami. Then so that when I do OTD or mangizonenzela ngizonenzela wazonke impahla kahle kahle. Ama haul. So yeah, ziningi things nje. Cause why not? I'm money. I'll vote for you on Big Brother Nation. How?